Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button showing on your screen. This will be new videos on this channel. So in this video I will be sharing with you how to check and print your Jamb examination slip. We all know that Jamb is about to start, and for you to write the exams you need to present your examination slip at your center. This will enable them give you the permission to write the exam. The examination slip is like an identification that you register for the exam. So without the exam slip, you'll not be allowed to write the exam. And a lot of people don't know how to check and print their examination slip, and that's why I will be sharing this video. Please, if you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button showing on your screen. This will enable you get notification each time I publish new videos on this channel. The first thing you need to do is this: you go to the exam printing portal. Don't worry about the link. I will be dropping the link in this video description. All you need to do is just click on the link on the description, and it will take you automatically to the portal where you'll be able to print your examination slip. So without further ado, let's start. So when you click on the exam printing portal, it will take you to a home page like this, and you see things exactly on the screen. You see print examination slip, registration number or email or GSM number. So what you need to do is this: it's either use your phone number, your email address, or your registration number. Whichever one you have available, you can use it to check your examination slip, and you can also use it to print it. All you need to do is click here, like paste. See here, I've already pasted the email I will be checking the examination slip for. So after clicking on examination slip, you click on print examination slip. Print examination slip. Here you click. After clicking here, it will take you to a new page. As you can see, wow, correct. So as you can see here, the main examination slip have been displayed. This is it. This is where he's going to write his exams, and the date, which is Wednesday, April 26 by 6:30 a.m. Shehu Shagari College of Education along Braining Kebbi. So this is how he's going to. This is where he's going to write his examination. Now the next step is printing. After checking your examination center, the next step is to print. A lot of people don't know how to print, but if you follow the instruction in this video, you are going to print the examination slip as easy as possible. All you need to do is go to a cyber cave, that's a computer center. You give them the PDF format and they will print it for you. So if you want to print the slip, this is what you are going to do. Make sure you are using Opera Mini browser. Don't use Chrome for this. Don't use Chrome for this. As you can see here, I have circled here. When you click there, it will take you to another option. Now let me click it. You go to save as PDF. Save as PDF here. Where is it? Sorry. Save as PDF. When you click on save as PDF, it will give you the opportunity to enable you to print this examination slip as a PDF. After giving you the opportunity to print this slip as a PDF, then you click on download here. When you click on download, that's all. You are going to download this slip. You see, then you click on download. Wow, congratulations, you have already printed your Jamb examination slip. What you need to do now is go to a computer center, give them the PDF format, and they will print the examination slip for you. I will advise you to print two so that you hold one, then you give the examination officers one. So this is how you are going to print your examination slip. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notification each time I release new videos on good tutorials. Thank you.